Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Absolute GH. Today I'm going to show you how to make cold pressed coconut oil. So the only ingredients we are going to use here is dry coconuts. So you just crack it open and then take away the husk like you've seen in the video. Chop it into pieces and then blend. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. So the quantity, if you have a good blender, then you don't have to add water. But if you don't have a good blender or a strong blender, then you have to add water. So when you add water, blend and then sieve it. Make sure you sieve it very well to get rid of all residues from the mixture. So after sieving it very well, you just put it in an airtight container and then store it in your fridge for at least a day. Or if your fridge is strong or you are in a hurry, you can put it in the freezer for just about an hour or two before you take it out. Don't worry about the water you are going to use, the quantity of water, because at the end of the day, after you keep it in the fridge, the oil will suspend on top of the water like we are seeing in the video. So after I put it in the fridge for like overnight, I did it overnight. So the oil is now hard, so you have to carefully scoop the oil from the water. So after scooping it, I put it in another container and then covered it and wrapped the container and then kept it at a warm place. So after you've kept it in a warm place for some time, you go for it. Normally it should be overnight to make sure that it is well melted. Then I try to scoop the oil from the mixture bit by bit. So what I did was I stationed the oil at a particular place. So from time to time I will just come and scoop some of the oil out. Then I transferred it into a second bowl for it to settle. Then finally I moved it to my jar. So and then filled my bottle. I used 10 coconuts for this, and then I got almost half a liter of coconut oil. Thank you